Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi Coordinator Somorendra Thokjom has asserted that political dialogues between the state government and civil society organizations have not been held so far to discuss on bringing back a sense of normalcy in the state. Speaking to media at Kokomi office at Lampel, Somorendra added that despite Chief Minister's commitment to hold political dialogues over the prevailing situation, no talks have been held so far between Kokomi and other civil society organizations to end the crisis. Moreover, Kokomi won't hold talks with the government without the people's consent. He maintained the Manipur violence is instigated by vested interest groups and will be wrong to show it as inter-community conflict. Villager volunteers joined the fight against illegal cookie narco-terrorists who started the violence since May 3rd following the failure of the state forces, he added.
Northeast human rights human Manipur, particularly Manipur, and serious when minor human rights have to United Nations Tanki. India, the report local view, Manipur have the drug trafficking, drug key, the Watamama, Mayama, Unselaga, and Gilapa. Aduga, North Machina, Manipur, Tanata, North India, Tuleba, Watola, Pumiam said, Masiki Matanga, Dipolama, the Kalamasu, Sikta View, Hainamana, High Tanki. I'm just going to say, ethnic violence. Community among the top of you, more than Sandopo Masi, Yam land by Habitat. Sinako terrorist Matakta, La Laptoponico. Kanagumba Pro Amadan, Natakuki Mada, Kanagumoto Zati, Lafote, Hybrid terrorism, Sang Pudim, La Laptoy and Coco Mina, La Fuchavani.